how to lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. So if you want to lock your Instagram with your Face ID on your iPhone, then what you need to do is you just need simply swipe and then go with your shortcuts. So here you may have your shortcuts. You need to go with your app library, search for shortcuts. After opening your shortcuts, you need to go with the middle, which is automation section, and from the automation you need to go with new automation, which will be in the top right. You will have the plus icon, or just simply tap on new automation. Once you tap on new automation, now you need to scroll down and you need to find an option of app. So tap on app and here you need to go with choose, and under the applications you need to select your Instagram. Tap on Instagram, go with done. Now go with next, and here you need to go with start timer and go with search actions, and here you need to go with lock and go with lock orientation or screen orientation lock. Tap on start a timer. I'll just simply select some seconds. Now go with done, which is on the top right. Now you can remove this and open up your Instagram. It will ask you for your Face ID, or what you can do is just simply tap and hold on to your Instagram and tap on require Face ID, and then tap on require Face ID. And if you try to open your Instagram, then it will ask you for the Face ID. So that's it. That's how you can lock your Instagram with your Face ID. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.